Another day, another story from Infinitesimal Insights. Imagine a city bustling with activity. Now, what if I told you that there's a similar city inside each of your cells? Welcome to the world of DNA, the blueprint of life. It's like the city's master plan, guiding every function and structure. DNA looks like a twisted ladder, or a spiral staircase with the steps representing the base pairs in the DNA molecule. The steps of the ladder are made of pairs of 4 types of molecules called nucleotides. Think of these nucleotides as the alphabet of life, but instead of 26 letters, we only have 4, C, A, T, and G. When a cell needs to divide, the DNA needs to be copied, just like duplicating a blueprint. This process is called DNA replication. DNA replication is like a photocopy machine making an exact copy of a document. But sometimes, the machine makes a mistake, leading to mutations. These mutations can lead to variations in traits, from the color of a butterfly's wings to the shape of a dog's tail. The process of transcription and translation is like a factory assembly line. The DNA is the blueprint, mRNA is the copy of the blueprint, and the ribosome is the factory where the protein is assembled. It's like nature's way of customizing its creations, from the stripes on a tiger to the spots on a ladybug, from the ability of a bird to fly to the capability of a fish to breathe underwater. All these unique features are coded in their DNA. Today, we can read this blueprint using DNA sequencing. It's like translating the city's master plan into a language we can understand. DNA can also be used to solve crimes. It's like the city's CCTV footage, providing evidence that can catch a criminal. And we're even learning how to edit this blueprint using techniques like CRISPR. It's like being able to rewrite the city's master plan. So, next time you look at a bustling city, remember the bustling activity inside each of your cells, guided by the incredible blueprint of life, DNA. And that's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to DNA. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of genetics. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mind-expanding content. Keep exploring, and until next time, happy scientific adventures. Thanks for watching.